Welcome back! In this video I'll demonstrate how to connect your newly set up central server, open a central project, and explain the information available in the Project History tab. In Leapfrog modeling products, a project is a collection of data and dependent models. It represents the modeler's understanding of the geology at the moment in time. In Central, a project is the history of a Leapfrog modeling project tracked through time. Each revision is a point in the central project's timeline. A revision may include a Leapfrog modeling project, allowing other Leapfrog modeling product users to make a new revision. Let's take a look. For this demonstration, I'm going to start out in Leapfrog Geo. However, the workflow that I'm going to show is the same in the other Leapfrog modeling products. When I open the software with Central integration enabled, it opens to the Central Projects tab. In the Central Servers list, I'll select the server that I wish to open by clicking on it. The green connected message will appear. I now have options to create a new blank project or open a central project. Below, this section is organized by recent projects first, and then all central projects that you have access to are listed below. Your central projects will be organized by location if your system administrator has added this metadata to the admin portal. Click on the thumbnail of the project that you would like to open. Your central project will open in a new tab. This tab has a few areas of interest. The local copies section will show tiles for any revisions that you have downloaded to your computer. We'll come back to this in the next video. We'll also review the annotations and attachments in a later video. The project history is very similar here to what we see in the central browser. Each revision in the project appears as a single point over here on the left in the graph. The revisions are organized into branches, which can be used to test multiple hypotheses. The most recent publishing event will appear at the top, and the branch that it's published on will appear furthest to the left. If I click through the available revisions, the branch structure for that revision is highlighted, and all the other revisions on that branch will appear in black text, with the off-branch revisions grayed out. The ID column is the unique ID of the revision on your central server. It can be a useful reference label to use rather than the revision date. I'll talk about the project and locked columns in the next video, as they are linked to the downloading and modeling workflows. The project column shows an icon indicating what is included in a revision. The fully green icon shows that a complete project has been uploaded for that revision. The partially filled icon indicates that an unprocessed project is present for the revision, and where no icon is present, only selected surfaces were included in the revision. The next few rows are fairly self-explanatory, with the exception of the project stage and branch columns. These are user chosen, and we'll see how these are set in our publishing video. The project history window has a revision thumbnail, any comments that were included when publishing, and this handy download button that we'll talk about in the next video. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and join us for the next video where we download revisions, lock a project branch, and open a revision to resume modeling.